I'll give you guys a demonstration of the Sportneer picnic table or camping table. Now, it all fits in this little bag. I'm actually replacing a Rubbermaid table we take with us when we go camping, and so this is a lot going to be better for being in our top storage compartment or in our truck. So everything fits in this bag, a nice canvas bag. The first time I set this up, I didn't even use the detailed instruction manual that comes in multiple languages. I just gave it a try and see if I could do it off my own whim. And yeah, it is very, very simple. Once you grab it and pull it out, it wants to almost go into position right off the bat. So this is how simple it is. I'm just going to take a couple minutes here and show you. You're going to take these cross member arms, that gives it the strength of the table. If you want to leave it at this height, you can leave it at this height. If not, a real simple extension leg process. You pop up your locks, pull out your legs to the height you need for the ground you're on, and lock that back down, of course. But real simple. If you're on level ground, you have no problem with adjustments. Got lots of fine adjustment, unlike others that might just have a few points of click that you have to stay within a certain range. It does come with a net. I don't even use that, but it's a nice feature. Clips on 4 corners. I'm not going to take the time to install that. If you need that, there is definitely a place for that. So, other side, and it doesn't matter in the bag when you put this thing back in. Both the items fit in both sides. This is the top of the table. It's really easy to use. You got clips that clip onto the main arms, and all you have to do is just pull this out. You're going to snap that onto the ends, and that's it, guys. So now you have a nice light camping table. It can be adjusted for different heights. I would say that that is my only kind of thing with it. I wish it just had a little bit more telescopic leg, maybe one more pull out would have been nice to kind of bring that up to more than just a camping chair's height, so more of a standing working height. But this still not that bad. Being able to do things, make your coffee, use it at the campsite. So it's the opposite to put it up. Anybody can do this. You just unclip that and just do an alternate back and forth, and this will easily go up. When you get to the end, it doesn't go that direction. You just kind of fold it on over, and then that goes right back in your sack. And there's plenty of space in that bag, like I said, to really put this up. Now, before taking your cross members off, I recommend you dropping your legs. If you have difficulty the first time you pull this out, getting that leg in, after you do it one time or so, as long as that orange is lever's all the way up, you're going to have no problem putting that down. They have multiple, like I said, places for this to have different grades, and really nice design. Now, putting this back together, again, pop this over, lock it into its keeper, pop this over, lock it into its keeper, and then it almost wants to just, again, go right back into where its placement. So you have 2 different lengths, a little shorter, a little longer. So the little shorter one goes first. You just kind of help everything go back into form. If this gets offset, you just need to line that up. That'll make sure that it closes up more like a nice box. And that's it, guys. You take that, you throw that back into the bag, and zip these up, and you're done packing this away. So real easy, real simple. If you're looking for a nice aluminum table, lightweight, but still has the strength, you need some extra storage, place to put this thing. Again, we're taking out a Rubbermaid table we always took, and it took up just a little too much space. This is going to be great. Can't wait to get it out on more camping trips. But if you're looking for a good quality table, I definitely tell you to check out this.